Hi guys, welcome back to Kids Toys channel. Today we received 2 Christmas gifts from Toy Kingdom and we have no clue what's inside them, so we're very excited to find out. To Kids Toys, have a very Merry Christmas from Toy Kingdom.
I can't get them out.
I'm trying to not destroy them. You know what this is. What? Oh, what is this? Oh my gosh. It's a young chef. Oh,
user
my
thing.
Yeah, mine too. Another. Oh, it's a crafting thing. Yay, I love crafting. Oh! Oh my god!
She's been wanting this for too long.
Yeah! Cotton candy maker. Finally! Thank you! Look! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy right now. I'm gonna use that later. As soon as possible. If possible. I thought we were going to receive a science thingy. But this is even better. 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 There's a lot of tape here. I just want to, but let's open it. Look at that. So let's go open it. I'm so excited. Hi there. This will make more. Like cooking even more. Especially this machine. Yes. I don't think this is cooking. This is making. Also this. Making food. I want to
She
eat
likes
it all.
turning knobs.
The sugar container, I think. You can plug it. Hey. I'm gonna keep this. So you need to plug it. Yes, of course. The laptops. Just like that. Plugging this even better than those batteries. Yep. So I'm gonna just. Oh, it's a cup. Yay! This is your most one. Yes. Yes. Out of all the Young Chef products, that is my most wanted. This was love cotton candy. So, I think this is gonna be easy. It is. This Young Chef cotton candy machine includes one cotton candy machine, a sugar container, one spoon, a funnel, an adapter, and one instruction manual. This Young Chef slush machine contains one slush machine, a juicer, 2 serving cups, ice container,